Now, in addition to reporting an outage to us, another important step to take to be prepared should an outage occur is to have an emergency kit assembled and ready to go. And some items to consider including inside your emergency kit include flashlights. These can help you see in dark areas, and you want to use flashlights instead of candles to minimize the risk of a fire occurring inside your home when an outage may be taking place. Another important item to have in an emergency kit is bottled water. Some other items to include also would be extra batteries. These can help power portable electronic devices and may come in handy as well for your flashlights if those flashlights lose their charge and the batteries lose their charge. Always important to have inside any emergency kit is a dedicated first aid kit. You want to make sure that's included as well. And one useful item that can help you if you experience an outage at your home is a portable mobile device charging pack. And what that can do is it can help charge any sort of cell phone, tablet, or other mobile device that you may need to use or may need to operate while service is being restored to your home.